Go to the menu.
Yo.
Wait, no, not yet. Not yet. I'll see when.
Okay. What is up, guys? The Hitman back here, and we're gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's 1. The first one. Okay. Creepy. But I'm okay with it. Still, let's play. Well, Poop Kratzer made, I'm on Poop Kratzer's, iPad, so... Okay, so... I guess... I'm supposed to be freaked out. I've seen a whole bunch of videos with PewDiePie, Buscus, and Markiplier. Hello? What just happened? What the heck? Oh god, they're gone, I guess. Okay, what was that? What was that? What was that?
Fuck you. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh crap. Oh god. What's happening? Oh! No! Get out! Oh good. Oh god, what was that? What was that? Okay. I'm pretty freaked out right now. What was that? Hello? Who is that? Leave me alone! Why can't I just clean some girl's house instead of doing this job? What the crap? What the ball sack? Oh my. What was that? It's a noise. Oh crap. Oh god. What was that? Are you there? Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my glove. Oh my baseball glove. Oh, hi there. Hi. What you doing in the corner? Are you lonely? Oh crap, what just happened? Oh god! What the crap? What was that? Just go away! Go away! Oh god! Why are you there? Ah! Oh god! Oh god! No, no. What would happen if I left it on for the whole time? Okay, he's gone. It's a duck. No. Ah! Ah! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! What was that? Oh my god! Oh my god! What was that? Ah! My god, what the crap? I'm not gonna play this anymore.